pre-professional programme, Ballet Cymru 2, comes under our elite training programme at Ballet Cymru, and it's designed to facilitate the transition from full-time dance training into the professional world of dance.
In Ballet Cymru 2, you can expect to work in a professional setting alongside the main company. You will have the opportunity to hone in on your own choreographic potential with a variety of choreographic tasks and performances. You will receive training and deliver education work in a variety of different settings. To finish the year, you will have your own showcase under the banner of Ballet Cymru 2.
The environment's been so welcoming, and all of the staff and all of the tutors have been really helpful and really friendly, which isn't always that way in the dance world, so it's a nice difference. We've been working with the company side by side most days. It's been interesting learning how to navigate class with other professionals in the environment.
Our aim is to equip you with the skills to be really well-rounded artists, technically and creatively.
And can you make more of when you let, and it's softening through your left leg to keep it gliding.
To get a chance to put our pieces on stage and perform them for an audience, it's been really fun.